Okay. All right. Now, when you're done with the scale, Z enter, E enter, Z enter, E enter. Save. And now model space is good. Again, Z enter, E enter, and new model space, and save. Okay. Now we're gonna go. We're done with this. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go File. After you save, please hit save a couple of times to make sure you saved it first. Then save again. I can't emphasize save. Then we're gonna go save as. Save as. Drawing. Okay, we're gonna go save it as. Let's go work on the garage. I'm gonna do garage and power and light. So that E4. Okay, so I'm gonna go save it as. I copied it here so I can go faster than you guys. So, and this will be number 4. Okay, so it's going to be 4 garage and swimming pool, power and light. Everybody's okay with this? And when you're done, see where it's located though. Where do I want them to be located? Right here, E1, E2, E3. I need E4 right underneath them. Everybody's good? Make sure you're on the right track here. Am I in the right? Yep. Team 11, that's my team. And hit save. When you're done, make sure at the top it says E4 garage and swimming pool. E4 garage and swimming pool. The first thing you need to do, guys, is come over here to the tab, rename it like we've done before. We're going to rename this, save it. So this is going to be garage. Number 4 is garage and swimming pool. You guys know how we named that one, right? So we renamed it as garage and swimming pool. And guess what's going to happen also here? E4 is going to be E1. This is going to be E4, right? You're going to basically rename the whole thing. Double click on this one, garage and swimming pool. Paste. Okay. All right, so mine, power and swimming pool. Look at that. Okay, let me see if I can get it. Oops. Undo. Let me see if I can paste that one and it makes it. Okay. They copy and paste it. Okay. So here's my garage and swimming pool, pool and light. You might have to adjust your naming. There you go. So I have garage and swimming pool, my garage and swimming pool. Good enough. Okay. Garage and swimming pool, power and light. Okay, did you guys get that one? Click on that one. It's by layer. I'm going to put it on this one. So here's my name. The scale, we don't know what the scale is going to be yet. So we'll keep the scale as is. Are you guys there? Everybody's good? Okay. For the garage and the swimming pool, we're going to have 2 viewports. We're going to have 2 viewports to make them fit. So, okay. When you guys are done with the editing here, can I have thumbs up? Done with all the editing, especially that one here. Garage and swimming pool, E4 and all this stuff. This is a little bit interesting because I already have a file here, but I want to only zoom into the swimming pool. Can you guys see the swimming pool? So let me show you how we're going to do that. I already have an extra file, but I'm going to zoom in the swimming pool. Now do me a favor. Can you guys remember that viewport that we did? Go unlock it. You see that unlock? Everybody can see that? Unlock it. Unlock the viewport, and I would like you guys to go all the way just around the swimming pool and adjust it just around the swimming pool. because I don't care about anything else in this view other than a swimming pool. Can you guys see that? Everybody can see that? The swimming pool. Okay? Did you guys, everybody that did that, please? Swimming pool, that's good enough. I think that's what we did, yeah. Swimming pool, good enough up to this point. Okay, now, the scale that works with this, can you do me a favor and go change your scale into 1/4? 1/4 is my scale, and I need to adjust my stuff to get me the scale that I'm looking for. I'm only looking, remember, I'm only concerned about the swimming pool. I'm not concerned about anything else. So here's my swimming pool. Hit the scale. I'm going to go maybe adjust it slightly here. So that's what did we do with this? Because yeah, we might have to go slightly just to get here you go, and maybe slightly to this point. Okay, so that's so it can be done a little bit. You feel free to go this way a little bit too. Okay. Now remember that what's the scale? Did you guys put the scale 1/4? Okay. That's good. Now do me a favor. Grab this view that you did. Are you guys there? Somehow. Right click on it. Copy it. And I'm going to paste the same view. See what I'm doing? I'm pasting my, where's my clipboard, and paste it. Can you guys see what I did? I copied the viewport. I have two viewports.
You go to clipboard.
Yeah, click on it. Right click, clipboard. Thank you, Karen, for reminding us with the clipboard. Copy it, and back again to the clipboard and paste it. You can adjust them slightly so they don't overlap. Okay. Now, how many viewports you can put in a plan? Unlimited. You can put as many viewports as you can see. Any comments so far? Any comments, guys? Any questions? Can I have thumbs up, Chad, that we have something similar to what you have? Feel free to adjust it later on. Cool. Now I have another viewport. And we will adjust the viewport slightly. Click on it. Now you're either hold the shift to go home and grab move, or hold your shift right left and you can move it with your hand.
You need a quick tip for copy that Control C doesn't work in this one.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay. I need thumbs up when you guys are at this point. I can wait though. I'm not in a hurry. Anybody knows why I have two viewports? Well, I only have the swimming pool is here. The garage structure is here. But the background that I want to use for the garage structure is not this background. So I need to go extract another file. In the same, another file in the same file. So what I have, guys, I have two structures that I want to view coming from two different files. So to do this, the first thing you need to do, Adam, is to make two viewports. The top viewport for the swimming pool, so that's what I want to show my swimming pool. The bottom, in a second, the bottom we will put the garage instead of two swimming pools. Are you knucklehead? What do you do with two swimming pool, Chad? Okay, cool. Can I have thumbs up when you guys are there? Good. Okay, now do me a favor, go to the model space, put yourself on the XREF, make sure the layer that you're in is XREF. Everybody's there? Zoom slightly so you can see what you're doing. Zoom slightly so you can have some space. So what I'm going to do, guys, now I'm going to XREF the garage structure in the same file. You can XREF multiple things in the same file. Okay, so let's go insert, attach. Now remember, I'm after the XREF. Here's all my, am I in my team folder? Yep, Chad, you're in your team folder. I'm going to go to the one that says garage. Can you guys see that garage file? That's the structure that I'm going to be, the layout, the blueprint that I'm going to be using to do my power for the garage stalls. Can I have thumbs up, Chad, that we're there? Picked it up. Cool. Open it. Don't click anything else. Continue with the specification. Can you guys see that I'm holding my garage in my hand here? Right? Don't go down at the top of this. Do me a favor, just put it the place right next to it where you can see it. Do you guys see unreconciled layers here? Click on the unreconciled layers. Click on the first one and the last one. Right click on them, and what did we say we do? Reconcile them. Did you guys do that? Yep. Okay. Now, can you guys see what we have just imported with this? There's some junk stuff here. Don't worry about it. Did you guys see that what we imported? Click on it and make sure it's in the right layer. Is it in the right? It's coming. Click. It's coming in home in the XREF. Okay. Can I have thumbs up when you guys are there? Cool. Matt, you're good. Karen, did it come? Okay. So, Derek, my friend, now I do have two XREFs in the same file. Can I do that? Yeah. By the way, guys, we could have XREFed everything in one file, but it becomes too many eggs in one basket. Okay. Let me see. So, anybody can guess what the next step would be? Thank you. Changing all the layers to gray. So, I'm going to wait a little bit, though. All right, so let's go ahead, guys, into the layer properties. Can you guys see that? Click on that. Like Derek said, the next step is to go drill into the XREF, go to the garage. Remember how we did the site? Can you guys see the site is all in color 8? Click on the layers for the garage. Can you guys see that? Everybody can see it? So pick the first one, hold the shift button, pick the last one, group select them, and then click on the color and type color 8, and you have just changed all these layers into color 8. What does color 8 mean? Gray. I care less. I don't want it to stand out. I want it to be in the background so I can see my electrical stuff properly. Okay, before you leave this, make sure the garage is all in color 8, the site is all in color 8, but the title block is not on color 8. You know what happened in the past? Students put the title block on color 8, then their title block print gray. You know what I mean? Okay, everybody but the garage in color 8, all of them, and the site also in color 8, but not the title block. Before you leave here, click, like Adam, remember, click on all. What does all tell you? It will give you all the layers that you have. Did you guys click on all to see if all the layers in your system? If you did so, exit. Now, what happened with all these little things here? Do you see these dimensions? Okay, let's go find dimension that's coming from the garage and turn them off, like we did. So you're looking at ECDM 240 dimension. Can you guys see it right here? Turn them off. Can you guys see that? This dimension? On, off, on, off, on, off. Now, Matthew, why would we want them on but turn them off? When you're doing design, you turn them on so you can see how big is the garage. Look at that, 12 feet. You can also measure it. But when you're done, when you print, they're in your way. So what do you do with them? You can come over here and turn them off. Are you going to remember that they're there if you want them? So it helps you when you lay out your receptacles and so forth. Okay, now Now that we've done that, let's go here. I want you guys to double click on the lower one and Z enter, E enter, Z enter, E enter. Oops. Z enter, E enter. There you go. Can you guys see that the bottom is showing everything now? I want you to scroll down and only zoom on the garage structure. See what I did? I only zoomed in the garage structure. Cool? Do you guys know how to do that? Now, there's one little problem. The scale, get out, look what the scale is. The scale is goofy, so I want to, when you kind of center it slightly, go here and make sure, click on the view and make sure you put it on, I believe, 1/4. So make sure it's set at 1/4. Can you guys see that? At the end, after you center it slightly, make sure it's set at 1/4. Can you guys see that? Now, before you leave this, click on this. It's 1/4. Click on this. Both views are 1/4. Now, what do you want to do with the scale, Darren? Is the scale still showing here as 1/8? What do you need to do with the scale? Do you see what I did, guys, here? I changed the scale here into what? 1/4. Because now these two structures are scaled at what scale? No, both of them. Click on the swimming pool. Can you see it's set at 1/4? Hit skip. Click on the garage. It's set at 1/4. Both of them. When your view, Matt, looks similar to mine, do me a favor next. You know what we're going to do, guys? Click on the first one, lock it, and click on the second one and lock it. Oops. Now click on the second one here and lock it. Did you guys see what I did? The first one locked, the second one locked. So what did I do? I have a view for the swimming pool, a view for the garage, scaled to 1/4 and locked. So accidentally, if I click here, look at that. I'm clicking here and nothing will happen. If accidentally I click here, nothing will happen in any of these viewport. If I click here, oops, on the view, skip here. So you're not going to screw up the viewport, basically. When you are at this point, please give me a thumbs up or give me a hint that you're good. So we have our scale. Did you guys change the scale to 1/4 because it's a 1/4 scale? And I have two viewports. Now feel free to, these are suggestions the way I did them, guys. You can move them to the side, make them better by any means. The more that you play with it, the better you look like. Now let's go look at it when you print it, how it looks like, guys. File, print view. Let's go plot view it. Do you see how it looks like right now? Yeah, I don't know what that little thing here got out of a tree. See that little thing? I might have to go adjust my viewport to get rid of that little thing. But that's how it's going to look like when you print it. One structure for the swimming pool, one for the garage. Did you guys hear me? Did you see that? Exit. Do you see that little thing that I was looking at? Do you see that little here? That's ugly, right?
Do you want those, what are these on the outside of the pool? Do you want those in there too?
Yeah.
You want those in there?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah.
Trees, these are trees. So I'm gonna go, because mine, do you see, guys, I'm cutting half through a tree. It's not a good idea. So I'm gonna go unlock that baby. Do you see what I did? I unlock it. And I'm going to go just slightly. Can you guys see that? Slightly take it up a little bit. And lock it again so Chad doesn't screw it up. Okay? And you can adjust this at any time. Z enter, E enter. So now we are looking at E4, garage and swimming pool, power and light. Scale is 1/4. It's an E4, two structure in it, ready to hit the ground running. I need you guys to give me a thumbs up if you're at this point. Z enter, E enter here. Z enter, enter here. You can see that. We Z enter, E enter at the structures. Save. And I'm waiting for you guys to give me the green light to move to the next step. So delete it. Okay. Now we have a clean. So the first thing, then the second thing you need to do is come over here, rename. I'm going to call this as E5. E5. This is going to be my upper level. Paste upper level power. Perfect. And call it upper level power. Did you guys hear me? Rename it, call it upper level power. E5 upper level power. Are you guys there? E5 upper level power. I have two viewports. I'm going to go delete one of them, anyone. And I'm going to go adjust my viewport. Remember how we're going to, this one is going to be all the way through. So go adjust your viewport to be as close to the edge. If it keeps putzing around, make sure, Adam, make sure the object snap is off. My object snap is on here. Make sure your object snap is off when you do that, so it doesn't keep putzing you around. So I'm going to go adjust my viewport just as close to the edge as I can, so it can take advantage of the whole printing space. Can you guys see that? Without, and I'm going to go adjust my viewport right in here. Make sure your snap is off though. That's good enough. Okay, so okay, so now this is my new viewport. Did you guys adjust your viewport to make one big viewport? Yes, no? Cool. Let's go to the model space and XREF. So I'm going to go insert, attach, and which one do you think? Make sure you're on the right one, Adam, Karen, and everybody. Make sure in your team folder, right? And I'm going to go see, this is upper, so I'm not going to do lower then. So I want to go all the way to this file. This is the upper level power. So I'm going to go attach the upper level power file. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We're with you. No, yes. Karen, are we good in your area? Okay. Okay. Let me just finish this step and I'll be with you in a second. So, okay. So I'm going to go just finish that one. Go open it. And then okay again. And you're holding, can you guys see you're holding that background? Click on your background. Do you see what non-reconciled layers? What are you going to do with them? Click on them first and go grab the first, grab the last, right click, reconcile them. And then as long as you're on it, here, click on the upper level. Can you guys see that? And pick the first, the last, and change the color to what? 8. And okay, yeah. So only the upper level. Can you guys see that? Not the title, not the type block, only the upper level. Can you guys do that? Change the upper level to color black, exit out of it. Now I have all my stuff is in the black. What you see, the green stuff is dimension. So if you guys go here and you're going to go to dimension, you can turn them on and off. Can you guys see that? I can turn my dimension on and off. So I'm going to make them off for the time being. Go to this level, double click here, Z enter, E enter. Oops. Oh, I have my unlock it. There you go. And Z enter, E enter. There you go. Here's my, there's some junk here. Seems what would that be? Interesting. So bring it as close as you can. Click on viewport. Oops. Click on my viewport, grab your viewport, guys, and put the scale. What was the scale? 1/4. This is the scale of 1/4. After you set your scale 1/4, do me a favor, lock it. And after you do that, rename. I'm going to rename this one E5. and I'm going to call this as upper level power. Rename this upper level power, and then wait for further direction. Clip, paste, upper level power. I'm going to change it by layer here. So what you did is you rename it. The scale is still the same, E5, upper level power. Here's how it's going to look like. And here's my model space. What was here? Must have forgotten something here. Because when you zoom enter, enter, nothing. Okay, so here's my apartment here. Here's my upper level. Can you guys do this? Make sure it works and hold your horses to do the next step. Do this twice. Look what I'm going to do. I'm going to see that upper level power. Right click on it. Page, where's my, do you see where it says move or copy? Everybody can see move or copy. Click. What do I need? I need to copy it. So click on create a copy. Where do you need the copy? At the end. And OK it. And one more time, click on it. Anybody knows why we're copying two times? At the end, and copy it. So we have 3 copies of it. Do you guys know why 3 copies? Let's go to the first copy, the second copy, rename it. This is going to be same thing, and instead of power, what do you guys, it's going to be? Lighting. Lighting. And what do you think the third one? So not 5 though, it's going to be, rename it as E6. And this one is going to be E7, rename it E7. And instead of power, is going to be low voltage. Systems. Low voltage systems. So I have an upper level, E5, power, upper level lighting, upper level low voltage. And make sure you save. Any comments, guys? Any questions about that? Now, now we did the upper level power. Can you guys see the red? The green, the lower level, and you're going to do it exactly the same, 8, 9, and 10. You're going to take this file, copy it, paste it, name it 8, 9, and 10, and do it. I'm not going to do it, guys. You're going to do it. And then after done, you're going to copy it, paste it as 11, delete everything. Panel schedule, there's only going to be a file that's called panel schedule, copy and paste it. And the detail, nothing is going to be in the detail. So you're going to make another sheet, copy, paste, call it detail, and stop. Can I count on you guys in taking from 8 all the way to 12? Same way? Really, no need for me to jump into it. I'll be helping you the same way. So so when you're done here, what do you need to do now? Save it, make sure you save it. You're going to copy it, save it as, after you save it, you're going to save it as, in this case would be what? You're going to be saving it as 8, 9, and 10, lower level power, lighting, and low voltage systems. And then delete the extra that we did for the upper, bring the lower, adjust it. So that will be your exercise. Cool? Should we do that? And I'll be able to help you. Okay, with this, my friends, really nothing to it. Repeat the same, but the same function.